Good morning, dear student. In this session, we will see the next AWT control, that is a text area. Now you can see here in this diagram, we are having one text area. This is the text area. This text area contains some characters, string. This is the horizontal scroll bar and this is the vertical scroll bar to see the text in the text area. Now, how to create a text area? The first constructor will create a text area with some default number of lines, that is a number of lines and number of characters. Second constructor will create a text area with specified number of lines and number of characters. Number of lines and number of characters means what? Width and height of the text area. Third constructor will create a text area with specified text. Fourth constructor will create text area with specified text and specified number of lines or number of characters, that is the width and height of the text area. Fifth constructor will create a text area with specified text, specified number of lines, number of characters in the line and int bars. Now this bars is nothing but the horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Now for this parameter we are having some static variables of a text area class. The first one is scroll bars underscore both. If you specify text area dot scroll bars underscore both, then this will create horizontal and vertical scroll bars for the text area. If you specify text area dot scroll bars underscore none, then automatically this will specify this will not specify horizontal as well as vertical scroll bars to the text area. Text area dot scroll bars underscore horizontal underscore only. If you specify this parameter to this constructor, then it will create only horizontal scroll bar, and if you want only vertical scroll bar, then you have to specify this static variable of the text area. The methods of text area are, all the methods of text fields can be used for the text area, and additional methods are void, append, string, str. Append is the method and parameter is string. Now append method will add or append text to the end of text area. Insert method will insert specified text in text area at the specified index position. Third method will replace range. Now replace range is a method. This method will replace the specified text, specified string from specified start index to end index of the text area. Now these are the theoretical part of the text area. Now we will see how to create a text area. First of all, create text object of the text area, text area t1 is equal to new text area, bracket open bracket close semicolon. This will create text area t1. Now let us add this text area onto the applet window. Add t1 semicolon, save and compile. Now Java C applet frame and applet viewer. Now you can see here, this is a applet window. This applet window now contains a text area. Okay, now this is the blank text area where no text is available, and the vertical scroll bar is shown here but it is inactive. Now let us type something into this text area. As you type, and when text area contains more horizontal characters, then automatically this will activate your horizontal scroll bar. In the same way, if you want to activate vertical scroll bar, type some values into this text area. Automatically the vertical scroll bar will be get activated. In this way you can create a text area by using first text area constructor. Now let us use a second text area. Text area T1 is equal to new text area. Now two parameters, that is the first one is a number of lines. For example, I will create here 10 number of lines, comma, number of characters in each line is, for example, 5. Yes. Control S, compile it, Java C, applet viewer. Now see here, this is the applet window. We have created text area with a number of lines, that is a 10. These are the lines and number of characters in each line is, for example, 5. I have specified 1 2 3 4 5. Now you cannot specify more characters. If you write more characters in a single line, only visible characters will be 5. And this is what number of lines in a text area. Now let us create third text area by using third constructor. Text area T1 is equal to new text area in bracket double quote. I will write some text. Hi, how are you? How are you? Control S. This is the third constructor of text area. Compile it, Java C, and execute. Now here you can see a text. This is the text field with the default text, and in this case the vertical as well as horizontal as well as vertical scroll bars are inactive. Now create a text area with fourth constructor, that is a specified string, comma, number of lines. For example, I will take here 10, and number of characters, for example 20 characters. That is the default width and height of the text area. Control C, compile it and execute. Now here you can see the text area is available with a specified text, that is how are you, and the number of lines are 10 and number of characters in each line will be 20 characters. Now create text area with next constructor, that is a text area in bracket specified characters or string, comma, integer number of lines and number of characters, comma. Here I will use now the static fields which are available in text area. Text area dot scroll scroll bars EAIS underscore both. Now I am specifying both scroll bars should be active. Control S, then compile it, execute. Now both scroll bars are available on the text area. Now change this one, scroll bars underscore both. Instead of both, I will take here none. Control S, Control C, compile it, execute, applet viewer. Now here you can see no scroll bar is available. So by using this field, you can make none of the scroll bar should be visible. So again I will change this field to scroll bars underscore horizontal, HORIZONTAL, horizontal underscore ONLY, underscore ONLY. As this is the static field of text area, make write in the capital letter. Now this will make your text area horizontal field only, horizontal scroll bar only. Control S, save it, and now compile it. Java C applet viewer. Now you can see here horizontal scroll bar is available. In the same way, you can change to the vertical only, VERTICAL, vertical scroll bar only. Save it, compile, and execute. Now you can see here in this applet only vertical scroll bar is available. Now let us use methods. Now I will make here scroll bars to the both, BOTH, Control S. Now let us use methods of text field. The first method is t1.append, APPEND, append in bracket double quote. I will write here I am fine. I am fine, double quote close, semicolon. Now this method will append this text to the text area, and the default text is what? Hi, how are you? This text will be appended to the text area. Control S, save it, and compile, execute. Now you can see here this text area contains hi, how are you? I am fine. Means we have appended I am fine to this text area. Second method is what? T1 dot insert. Insert is a method. Insert in a bracket. What to insert? For example, govt poly ambed umbed, double quote close, comma. We have to specify the position, that is a start position, index position. I have specified here, for example, 5, semicolon. Control S, then compile, Java C, and then applet viewer, execution. Now you can see here text area T1, new text area. This is the default one. Hi, how are you? This will be defaultly placed on the text area. Then we have appended I am fine, where you have appended at the end of this text. And then what happened? T1 dot insert in bracket govt poly ambed, comma 5. Means you want to insert this text govt poly ambed at position number 5. You can see here hi h. This is the first index, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this will append at 5th position government poly ambed. You can see here govt poly ambed. This text is appended or inserted at the 5th position of text. Hi ho. This ho is from how. And at from 5th position it has been inserted government poly ambed. So in this way you can create a text area by using different constructor of text area. Then you can add scroll bar, that is vertical and horizontal scroll bar, to the text area. Then you can use methods, that is append and insert. Append is used to append to the end of text of the text area, and insert method is used to insert specified text at the specified index. Hope you have understood how to create text area and how to use methods of text area. Thank you.